welcome back to the channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get to it. So today, it's just going to be a quick video showing you the updates I've done to the studio. Because recently I've purchased some new lights, so as you may see, things are looking a little bit better. Right, let's get into it and show you what I've done. Okay, so this is what I see when I'm now recording videos. As you can tell, I've still got the LEDs on the table. I've got a light off to my side. And I've got a big new ring light up there. This ring light here used to be the main light. Now that's just a side light. Got the main ring light. Got the table. So yeah, it looks a bit bad now because obviously the lighting's not in the right position. But when it's all facing me, it makes the video look a lot better. So now if we just have a look from the other side, you will see the LEDs on the table, the new tripod I'm filming with, and obviously the old light to the side there, and the new ring light up there. Now what this does, it makes this back bit look very good. Like a nice sharp image, very professional looking, excellent quality. Another thing you may have noticed as well was this multicoloured light behind my chair. Now this light just gives a nice backing to the whole scene, just to give it a bit of colour, because my backdrop here is mainly just black and white. So it just gives it that extra bit of colour. Now this backlight here is pretty cool because you can have it set like this and it comes through with a remote, so you can pick any colours you want. So I can have different effects behind me. That's pretty cool. I could have solid colours. I could have it flashing. You know, there's possibilities are endless there. But I'm really impressed with this because this wasn't very expensive at all. So if we just have a closer look at these LEDs, you'll see that they run right round the table with the corner connectors right up and round. So these ones here actually give some light to my face whilst I'm filming. They go right round there, all powered by this extension lead here. Same with this light, that takes power from there as well. But that just adds an extra bit of colour to the front of the video, so it looks all good when I'm recording. So the new ring light here, as you can see, it's 1.3 meters tall, it's a 12-inch ring light. It's fairly simple, it was pretty cheap. With the controls here, you can change the colour temperature. So you've got warm, that's both of them, and white. Control the amount of light. So, you know, this gives me a lot of options when filming. So, just for a quick comparison, this is how it looked before without the lighting. So I think we can all agree that the new lights is definitely an improvement. So as you saw there, that's the new additions I've added to the studio. So hopefully things will look a bit better from here on out. So yeah, any questions, just let me know in the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this little update video. That's all for now.